Now, CBS 4 weather with Chief Meteorologist Craig Setzer.
As expected, quite the windy day today. We saw winds in Broward and Miami-Dade gusting well above 30 miles an hour. Parkway Middle School in Lauderhill 34, Pompano Beach High School 32, at Broward Sheriff's Office in Oakland Park 34, Dolphins Training Facility in Davie 32, and at Miami International Airport a wind gust just after 1:30 to 48. I think there was a 747 landing kind of at the same time. Here's our Windjam Resort camera this afternoon. You can see the surf is up out there, but not that high because the wind is blowing basically parallel to the coast. Also, the kite boarders are out there, kite surfers having a time at it, and they are looking like they're having fun because it is blowing pretty good. 81 in Miami, 80 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 81 in Key West, sticking to scales of 5. Fairly humid now on that south-southeast breeze at 21, gusting up to 31 miles an hour. Lows this morning not low at all thanks to the winds being up, keeping the atmosphere tumbled up, turned over, and warm. Mid-70s, low as normal is 61. Current temperatures still in the low 80s. We made it into the mid 80s for highs today. There's a satellite loop, and you can really get the effect of the southerly winds and the clouds racing from south to north. Bigger picture showing the front, which is over in the Panhandle now, has already passed through Panama City and Pensacola there, where temperatures are sharply colder behind it. Only 59 right now in Pensacola, but everybody else is in the 70s and 80s ahead of the front. In terms of 24-hour temperature changes, we're a little bit warmer throughout the peninsula ahead of the front, but behind the front now, running about a dozen degrees cooler than this time yesterday, and we're going to be about a dozen degrees cooler tomorrow afternoon this time compared to where we are right now. Showers and thunderstorms ahead of the front are going to be marching eastward overnight tonight. There we are, 10, 11, midnight, 1, 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., and you can see the front sweeping through with the rain. The good news is that behind the front, it's cooler, but it's also much, much less windy, so things looking better once that front comes through. Severe weather, tornado watches for parts of the southeast, and there is some snow in northern New England, also snow over around the Great Lakes. We are, of course, relatively warm. For us tonight, pretty windy and warm. Storms very late tonight, well after midnight, low near 70. Tomorrow, early morning storms will give way to just basically cloudy skies, cooler temperatures, and calmer. Winds drop down as we go through the day. For boaters, winds also coming down on the water, shifting from southwest to northwest early in the day, 30, dropping to around 10, and seas slowly subsiding. Through the weekend, I think Saturday is shaping up to be a pretty nice day. Sunday, a chance for some showers, a little more shower activity, but very warm as we go into next week. Back to you.
Thank you, Craig.